Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw King Homer. Now, King Homer is a version of King Kong, and he looks just like Homer Simpson. And I thought it'd be fun to show you guys how to draw this, especially because it's part of the Halloween Treehouse of Horror episodes, and because of, the new King Kong Godzilla movie hopefully coming out soon. Now to start off with this, we're going to begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right up here, and I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve down and then up. So we're just going to make a little line that curves down, and then it's going to come up like this. Next, over here, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go down, and I'm going to curve the opposite way. I'm going to leave a little bit of space right here, and I want to add his nose first. And his nose is just kind of like a small oval. So we'll just draw a little small oval shape with no bottom. And right here, we're going to add a little curved line, and then it's going to jump around here and come up here for the eye. And then we'll do the same thing here. I'm just going to go down and curve it around for the eye. Right here, we're going to draw a line that goes down, and that's going to come out just a little bit. Then I'm going to bring this down. I'm going to go up and down, and then up like this. So you can just see I went out a little bit, curved down, it comes up, and then goes down, and then out a little bit. Then right here, I'm going to add a little curved line, and then another one right underneath it. Over here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. It's going to go down a little bit farther. Then we're going to go out and then come in here. Along the top here, we're just going to make some small little bumps for the teeth. I'll put a few little bumps at the bottom, and then a little curved line with another one on it for the tongue. Then I want to draw two lines that just come up here. Next, starting here, we're going to make a little line that curves around. Then I want to make a line that goes up, and I'm going to bring it back down for that kind of Homer Simpson head. I'm going to add a little curved line right here for the ear. And then I'm going to add a little line underneath here by the eye. Then I'm going to put a small dot here and a small dot right here for the pupils. Inside of here, we'll add two little curved lines for the ear. And then I'm going to put a couple little lines right back here for the hair. And I'll put a little kind of M shape out here too. Now down here, I'm going to add a little line that goes out and in, and then another one that goes out. I'll make a little line that goes down here for his neck. And then we can start the body. Right here, let's make a line that's going to curve around, and it's going to come right to about there. I'll do another one right here. We'll go down, and then I'm going to curve up. Now, right at the end of this, I'm going to add just a small little curved line, and I'm going to bring this line down a little farther for his chest. Then we can put two little dots right here. Now, right here for his big belly, I'm going to add a line that's going to curve around. It's going to come to about here. Then as I come up, I'm going to put a few little points on it just to make it look like it's furry. Now up here, we want to make his arm. We're just going to draw a line that goes out and put a little point on it. I'm going to bring it out a little farther. Then I'm going to make a little line that curves up, put a little point on it. we're going to make a curved line right across here because he's going to have these little shackles on him. Then we're going to go down, put a few more little spikes on it for the fur, and then I'm going to bring it all the way to here. Over here, I'm going to start here, put a few little points, and I'm going to curve this up. I'm going to go right to about here. I'm going to just curve this around. And then I'll put another little curved line right here. Now let's come back over this one. I'm going to add a little line that goes up. It's going to curve down and then come down like this. Then I'll add a couple little broken lines onto it. For his hand, I'm going to draw a line that goes up and down. Another one that comes up and down, and then one more right here. And this one's going to go a little bit farther. We're going to draw a little curved line here. Then this one's going to come up, and then I'm going to bring it back down and up for his thumb. Right here, just going to make a line that goes down. It's going to come up here, and a little line right there. Bring another one right up here, just to finish off that hand. Up here, going to kind of do the same thing, go up, curve down, and then bring it back down to here. I'm going to put a little curved line right there. Make a little line that goes up and down. One here, and then one here, and this one's just going to come around like this. Right here, I'm going to go out, kind of the same thing I did on that last thumb, go down and bring it up. Little line that comes around here, a little curve. Then I'll put one here just to finish off that hand. Now, starting over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out, put a few little points on it to make it look like it's furry. And then we're going to start on the legs. So I'm going to start right here. We're going to draw a line that goes out, put a few points on it, and it will curve down like this. We'll add a small curve. And then I'm going to just bring it back up to here. Draw another little curved line around for the shackle. Then right here, I'm going to add another little curved line that goes down. And then a little line that's just going to come out here. With a little curved line for the shackle. Then for his foot, I'm just going to come around here. We're going to draw a little line that goes up for one of them, one of the little toes. We'll draw one that goes a little longer and out. One more here. Then I'll start here and draw a little smaller one. Same thing on this side, just going to go down and out. Bring it back, out a little farther, and then come back. One a little bit longer out here, and then a little shorter one that comes up here. Now to finish this off, we just want to add some of the different little details on here. So one of the first things I'm going to do is start up here. We're going to draw a little line that goes up and down for his hair, and then one more right here. We'll add a couple little lines onto the shackles. Give him his little belly button right here. Then I'll add a couple more little lines on here. Then I'm going to put a little bump right here on each one just to kind of show where the shackles broke off. And I'm just going to make a little chain. To do that, we're just going to draw two little lines, kind of like we're making an oval. I'm going to put one more here, and then I'm going to go down and then curve it around. Put a little bump in here. And I'll just kind of curve it around here. Same thing here, just like I'm making a little oval shape. I'm going to curve up, then I'm going to go down, bring it around. Little oval shape in there, and then curve it up to here. And there you go. Here is your drawing of King Homer. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.